Hello, welcome to Easy Language Routine. Write in the comments where you are watching from and what time it is. To support the channel for free, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today, we are going to talk about something very important and very useful. We are going to talk about your daily routine. Your daily routine is what you do every day. It is your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. This lesson is easy. This lesson is for beginners. Listen carefully, try to understand, and most importantly, try to speak. Every day, I wake up in the morning. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. When I wake up, I feel a little tired, but I get up and start my day. First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with water. The water is cold, and it helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning and every night because it is very important. After that, I take a shower. Sometimes I take a quick shower, and sometimes I take a long shower. Then I get dressed. I choose my clothes, and I put on a shirt and pants. Now I am ready for breakfast. I go to the kitchen and prepare my breakfast. I usually eat simple food. I eat bread, eggs, and cheese. Sometimes I eat fruit, and sometimes I eat yogurt. I drink coffee or tea. In the morning, I like coffee because it gives me energy. Breakfast is very important because it helps me feel strong and ready for the day. After breakfast, I feel better and more active. At 8 a.m., I go to work. I leave my house and go outside. Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take the bus, and sometimes I drive my car. I go to work every weekday, from Monday to Friday. At work, I do many things. I talk to people, I use my computer, and I answer emails. I work until 5 p.m. At noon, I have lunch. I usually eat with my coworkers. We talk, we laugh, and we relax for a short time. After lunch, I go back to work and continue my tasks. Sometimes I feel tired in the afternoon, but I keep working. At 5 p.m., I finish work and go home. When I arrive home, I feel tired, and I want to relax. First, I sit down and rest. Sometimes I watch TV, sometimes I use my phone, and sometimes I listen to music. In the evening, I have dinner. I usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. I eat rice, chicken, or vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta. I often eat with my family, and we talk about our day. Dinner time is nice, and I feel happy. After dinner, I relax. I watch TV or a movie. Sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I study English. Yes, I study English every day. I listen, I repeat, and I practice. Practice is very important if you want to improve. At night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, I wash my face, and I change my clothes. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m. I lie down, I close my eyes, and I sleep. I rest, and I prepare for a new day. Tomorrow, I will do the same things again. Now let's talk about another person. Her name is Anna. Anna wakes up at 6 a.m. She wakes up early every day. She gets up and makes her bed. Then she goes to the bathroom, washes her face, and brushes her teeth. She takes a shower and gets dressed. Anna has breakfast at 6:30. She eats healthy food like fruit and yogurt, and she drinks tea. At 7 a.m., she goes to work. She works in an office, and she likes her job. At work, she talks to people, writes emails, and uses a computer. At noon, she has lunch with her friends. They talk and laugh together. After work, Anna goes home and arrives at 6 p.m. She feels tired but happy. She cooks dinner and eats at 7 p.m. After dinner, she relaxes. She watches TV, reads a book, or studies English. She wants to improve her English, so she practices every day. At 10 p.m., Anna goes to bed. She sleeps well and gets ready for a new day. Now it is your turn. Think about your daily routine. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? Do you have breakfast? Do you go to work or school? What do you do in the evening? Do you watch TV or study English? What time do you go to bed? Try to answer these questions and speak out loud. Practice every day because practice makes you better. Daily routine is very important. When you talk about your daily routine, you can speak English more easily. You use simple sentences, and you repeat the same words. This helps you learn faster and remember more. Remember these sentences: I wake up, I brush my teeth, I have breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I have dinner, and I go to bed. Repeat these sentences every day. You can speak English. You can improve. You just need practice and time. Take small steps every day, and you will get better. Thank you for listening. Write your daily routine in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.